How to integrate Google Drive with ClickUp. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. This is going to be a tutorial for those who want to start using Google Drive with their ClickUp. You can start searching for your Google Drive files within ClickUp itself, and you can even make it shareable or private. It's completely up to you. If it's shareable, it's going to be where also your team members are going to be able to search for the public files within your Google Drive, and so much more stuff that you can actually go ahead and start doing when you integrate your ClickUp account with your Google Drive. So let's just go ahead and get started on how to actually integrate both of these platforms. So first of all, you will need to just go ahead and log into your ClickUp account, obviously. And then from here, you will need to just go ahead and access these settings. These settings are going to be from the top left. You can just go ahead and click on your name or profile, and then you can just go ahead and click on the settings tab here. From the settings, you will need to just find the app center, which is going to be right down here. And then from here, you will need to basically just go to the Google Drive option here. It's going to be right in front of your face. If you don't find it for some reason, just go ahead and search for it on the top right. But you can just go ahead and click on it. And then from here, after you click on Google Drive, you will have two different options. Here you can see easily attach, create, and search for Google Drive files directly within ClickUp. But you have two different options that you can actually start using. Either the personal one, which we just talked about, and it's going to provide you with the following features. You have the personal connected search, where you'll be able to search for both public and private files from your connected account. And also you can just create attachments easily with Google Drive. And then we also have the workspace connection here, which is going to allow all members to search for only public files from Google Drive. Either one of them, you can just go ahead and click on connect. So let's just do the personal one for the time being. Just click on connect, and then you would want to select the account that you want to connect the Google Drive to. Click on continue, and then from here we can just go ahead and agree to all of this, and we can just go ahead and continue. And we should be connected. And then if you also want to connect the workspace, is going to be exactly the same thing. Just click on connect, select the account that you want to connect, click on continue, and just click on continue again, and is going to be connected. And now you can just seamlessly use Google Drive with your ClickUp account for both personal or workspace versions here. With that being said, this is pretty much how to integrate Google Drive with your ClickUp. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.